Guys, you see now, she's eating now.
She's heavy.
Now she's happy that she wants to eat. Tea, toasted bread. Okay, and what? Talk. Yes, you see? Tea, bread. Now she's happy, she wants to eat now. So I told her 2 in 1 always eating, and it's good like that because when she eats, the baby will grow. And she will look healthy, fresh. Yeah, so that's why she's eating now. You see her. Thank you. But what? Talk.
And I want to take that to
Yeah. You see my sister is eating also.
Yeah, it's so nice.
You see
to
her?
stay with this one is so nice. You eat every time.
Yay! See my brother from the long way. The big boy from the long way. Yeah, talk. No. Yeah, guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. We love you from this side. Bye.